Hello, this is the new 4010 winch-driven 12-volt electric dump system for country manufacturing trailers. This unit has been designed and manufactured at Country Manufacturing here in Ohio. This is the manual to show you step by step how to put this on your trailer. For trailers that were produced before September 2020, we'll have the necessity to drill 4 holes down in the centers, 2 here and 2 here. This is for your center lift bar to attach, which Ronnie's going to put that into place. The pinhole must be facing to the front of your trailer. So those will be secured in place with a total of 4 3/8 bolts, nuts, washers. Trailers that are manufactured after September of 2020 will already have these holes in place, so you will not need to drill those. Now once you have tightened down the nuts and bolts for the upper lift bracket, do not reinstall the boards at this time. This will make it easier to put the upper pin in a later segment. Now you can attach your winch mount bracket. That is bolted to the tongue using 2 3/8 by 3-inch bolts. The measurement between the bracket and the front of your chassis should be approximately 16 inches. Okay, your next step in your assembly is to put together the bottom part of the lift. Now the bottom part can be identified by the solid piece on the back bracket. That is where your pulley is going to run through. You'll be using a 6-inch pin and your 2 lower side pieces. Now Ron's going to show you how this is assembled on the unit. Okay, once you have your lower arms in place, you can go ahead and secure those using 5/16 bolts, nuts, and lock washers. Okay, at this point it's easiest to put the bed in place. That'll be secured by your hinge pin in the rear. Okay, now it's time to put the upper lift arm into place. That is secured by a 4-inch pin, washer, and cotter pin. So Ronnie's going to go ahead and install that now. That slips between the lower arms. Pin is pushed through, and then we secure that with a washer and a cotter pin. The next step now, we can go ahead and put on our winch. Now we offer this kit in 2 different styles. A style where we provide a 3,000 lift capacity winch. It does have a wired remote to it. So it can be powered with either a power pack, a deep cycle battery, whatever you wish to use as a 12-volt power source. You can also provide your own winch. We do suggest, however, it has at least a 3,000 pound pole capacity to be able to lift in excess of 2,000 pounds for your dump. At this point, we can go ahead and start threading our cable through the lift arms. Now Ron's going to install a front pin. Do not install the cotter pin at this point. So the cable is threaded through the arms. And the cable then is pinned with a pulley in the back. The cable runs underneath the pulley and then comes around to the top. The eyelet of the cable at that point is pinned to the front pivot pin. Those are then secured with washers and cotter pins. With the pin and the winch secured and ready to go, you can go ahead and reinstall your floorboards of your trailer at this point. There you have it, a 12-volt winch-operated electric lift for country manufacturing trailers.